Updating your legal name with US Bancorp is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name change is processed quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents that support a name change, such as a marriage certificate, divorce decree, or court order. Make sure these documents are official and contain your new legal name. Step 2. Visit the US Bancorp website. Go to the official US Bancorp website. Look for the customer service or contact section to find information on name change procedures. This will provide you with specific instructions and any forms you may need. Step 3. Complete the name change form. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Submit your request. Submit your completed name change form along with the required documents. You can do this either online, by mail, or in person at a local branch, depending on the instructions provided by US Bancorp. Step 5. Confirm the update. After submitting your request, follow up with US Bancorp to confirm that your name has been updated in their system. You can do this by calling customer service or checking your account online. By following these steps, you can efficiently update your legal name with US Bancorp. Make sure to keep copies of all documents submitted for your records.